What is the goal of the business owners? The goal of these owners, they want to, of course, make a profit, but who are they taking care? How would you like na employees mo would treat your business as if sila yung may-ari ng negosyo? How many of you would want that? Thank you. I want to introduce a framework I call the Circle of Abundance. This is what I call the win-win-win business. Now, these are the business owners. What is the goal of the business owners? The goal of these owners, they want to, of course, make a profit, but who are they taking care? How many of you take care more of your customers than your team members? How many of you? Just like me before. Tama? I thought that was correct up until I changed the framework. The role of the business owners is to take care of the employees because the person who will be taking care of the customers are your employees. Because the employees will take care of your profit. Customers, business owners, take care of the employees take care of the customers, and customers take care of the profit. The problem is, we take care of the customer takes care of us, the employees, we set them aside. And now, that's the reason why you're still stuck in your business. Okay? Now, how do you define win-win-win? Okay? What is the definition of win for customers? Paano mo sila masasabi na win? If they got the value for money, if the value that they got is more than what they paid. Tama? So, if they got more than what they paid, that's a win for the customers. What is a win for the business owners? Time and financial freedom. How many of you nagninegosyo ka because of this? Yes? And how many of you nagninegosyo ka because of this pero hanggang ngayon wala ka pa rin yan? Tama? Now, what is the win of the employees? The win of the employees is what? Number 1, financial growth. Number 2, personal growth. And number 3, happiness and fulfillment. Okay? Akala kasi nila na sweldo-sweldo lang yan, okay na. Pero sino dito nakaka-relate kahit mataas sweldo, umaalis pa rin sa kumpanya? Tama? Kasi ang tanong, meron bang personal growth? Nag-grow ba? Ang tanong, masaya ba siya at fulfilled siya sa ginagawa niya? Okay? So, how you make this a win-win-win business is the customers get value for money, the business owners achieve time and financial freedom, and the employees has financial, personal growth and happiness and fulfillment. So, just imagine this. How many of you would agree employees have their own dreams? Tama, mali. Here's my question, alam ba mga pangarap nila? Or baka sweldo, trabaho. Because what we do is this. Tinatanong namin sila. We have personal aspiration form. Okay? Every start of the year, we let them fill out a personal aspiration form, knowing what's their goal for the next 1 year, 12 years. And we even ask them, how much sweldo yung gusto mo next year? For example, they're making 15,000 a month. Hindi po kami magre-raise, sasabihin namin na, okay, i-raise ka namin ng 2,000, i-raise ka namin ng 4,000. Hindi. 15,000 per month ka, sinasabi namin, okay, how much would you wanna make next year? Name your price. Sasabihin nila, okay, 100,000. Sino dito takot magtanong sa empleyado nila magkano gusto nila kitain? Sino dito takot? Katulad ko. Tama? Here's how it works. We tell them, how much do you wanna make next year? 15,000 sila ngayon, sasabihin na 100,000. Good, love that. Ngayon, ano yung pwede mong mag-contribute sa kumpanya para deserve mo yan? Good, love that. What can you contribute to the company this year para deserve mo yung 100,000 a month? Sasabihin niya, galingan ko po. Sabihin natin, taglilinis siya. Galingan ko po maglinis. Good. Kaya lang hindi worth 100,000 yun eh. Ano pa yung pwede mong magawa para pwede kitang masweldo 100,000? Because your employees wanna make more. They just don't know how. Because you're not giving them an opportunity to make more.